I would like to talk about a very important day that helps to save many lives, World Blood Donor Day. It is celebrated on every year June 14 all around the world. This day is observed to thank people who donate their blood and to teach everyone about the importance of blood donation. We all know that blood is very important for our body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrition to every part of our body. Sometimes people may lose blood because of accidents, surgeries and serious illness. In such situations, doctors need blood to save their lives. It cannot be made in factories or laboratories. It can only come from a healthy human being who donated willingly. Have you ever thought how one person can save many lives? Well, blood donation can make it possible. Blood donors are real life heroes because of their one act of kindness can save many lives. Blood donation of blood helps children, adults and elderly people who are in need of medical treatment. People suffering from disease like cancer or anemia may also require blood regularly. During surgeries, doctors may need extra blood to help patients recover safely. This is why blood donation is very important. Blood donors help these people by donating blood. There are 4 main blood groups: A, B, AB, O. Each blood group can be positive or negative. People can donate blood only to certain blood groups. Group A can donate to A and AB. Group B can donate to B and AB. Group AB can only donate to AB. Group O can donate to all the blood groups. O negative blood is called a universal donor because it can be given to all the blood groups during emergencies. AB positive blood is called a universal recipient because people with this blood can donate blood only to certain blood groups. Healthy adults can donate blood without any danger, even though we are still young and cannot donate blood now. But we can still help in many ways. We can spread awareness by telling our parents, relatives and neighbors about the importance of blood donation. World Blood Donor Day also teaches values like kindness, caring, sharing and helping others. A small act of kindness can bring hope and happiness to many families.
Let's just remember these beautiful words: a drop for you and ocean for someone else. Together we can spread awareness to make the world healthier and happier place.